To import a MetaMask account on mobile, start by downloading and installing the MetaMask mobile application from the App Store. Once installed, open the app and tap on the Get Started button. You will be presented with two options: create a new wallet or import an existing wallet. Choose the import option to proceed with importing your existing MetaMask account. To import your account, you will need your seed phrase, which is a list of words that was generated when you first created your MetaMask wallet. This seed phrase is used to restore your wallet and access your account, so make sure to keep it safe and secure. Enter your seed phrase in the correct order, separated by spaces, and tap on the Import button. After importing your seed phrase, you will be asked to create a new password for your mobile wallet. Choose a strong and unique password that you have not used before, and make sure to store it in a safe place. You will also be asked to set up a backup for your wallet, which is highly recommended in case you lose access to your account. Once you have completed the import process, you will be logged in to your MetaMask account on your mobile device. You can now access your account balance, transaction history, and other features. To ensure the security of your account, make sure to enable two-factor authentication and keep your seed phrase and password confidential. It is also recommended to regularly back up your wallet and update the app to the latest version to ensure you have the latest security features and fixes. By following these steps, you can easily import your MetaMask account on your mobile device and enjoy the convenience of managing your digital assets on the go.